This is how you do a running stitch. This can either be used as a decorative stitch or can be used when you're just trying to bond two bits of fabric together to hold in place while you sew. So it can be used as in the same way as a tacking stitch. So all you need to do is come up through the fabric at the end, move on as long as you want your stitch to be, and bring it back down through the fabric, and then skip out as the thickness that you want it to miss. So I'm going to do it just the same length as that original stitch, pull it back through, and then create your second stitch. Again, miss a stitch and pull it back through to create your third stitch. And just continue on until you get to the end of the row that you're creating. So I'll just do one more. And there you have a running stitch.